Your Uconnect rear seat entertainment system is designed to give your family years of enjoyment. You can play your favorite CDs, DVDs, or Blu-ray discs, or plug and play a variety of standard video games or audio devices. You can also listen to CDs or an HDMI-compatible device over the wireless headphones. Let's get started. Open the LCD screen by lifting up on the cover. Now, cycle the ignition to the on or ACC position. If your vehicle is equipped with a Blu-ray disc player, the icon will be present on the player. Turn on the rear seat entertainment system by pushing the power button on the remote control. When the video screens are open and a DVD Blu-ray disc is inserted into the disc player, the screens turn on automatically, the headphone transmitters turn on, and playback begins. With the dual video screen system, Channel 1 on the remote control and headphones refers to Screen 1 on the driver's side, and Channel 2 on the remote control and headphones refers to Screen 2 on the passenger side. The system can be controlled by the front seat occupants using the touchscreen radio or by the rear seat occupants using the remote control. The Blu-ray player is located in the center console. To view a Blu-ray, insert the disc into the player. Playback will begin automatically after the Blu-ray disc is recognized by the disc drive. If playback does not begin automatically after the disc is inserted, push the source key and use the up and down arrows to highlight disc from the menu. Now, go ahead and push the OK button. Push the pop-up menu key to navigate the disc menu and options. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.